Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Today, we're diving into some incredible Google Assistant tricks that will make your daily life a whole lot easier. Trick 1. Ever had a tune stuck in your head, but you couldn't remember the name or lyrics? No worries. Just ask Google Assistant to identify it.
Play, sing, or hum a song.
Hum the melody into your phone, and Google will suggest matching songs instantly. Trick 2. Curious about animal sounds? Google Assistant has you covered. Ask and enjoy an instant audio preview. Wondering how an elephant sounds? Just ask.
This is an African elephant.
Trick 3. Need to flip a coin for a decision? Google Assistant has a solution. Simply say, "Hey Google, flip a coin and let fate decide for you."
You got heads.
Trick 4. Feeling a bit down? Google can lighten the mood. Ask, "Hey Google, tell me a joke," and get ready for some laughter therapy.
Why did all the students eat their homework? Their teacher told them it was a piece of cake.
Step 5. Finally, for those dark moments, ask Google to lumos your flashlight and watch your phone light up like magic.
Turning flashlight on.
That's it. With these 5 amazing Google Assistant tricks, you'll be mastering your device in no time. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.